Alright team, we've got 10 minutes to decide on a proposal. Let's work together and use everyone's strength.
First step, structure. We need a plan, and we need it now. And we need something catchy, something that stands out.
Before that, we need facts. A proposal without data is weak.
Guys, let's calm down. Everyone will get their turn to talk.
Let's identify what the school actually needs first.
We can do this. We just need to focus and support each other. Maybe we can start by combining ideas instead of choosing only one.
Good start, let's begin.
I suggest we divide tasks. That way, everyone contributes clearly.
And gather data, attendance, student concerns, and needs.
I'll help analyze it.
Then I'll design the visual concept and layout.
I'll work on motivational message to inspire students.
Go.
And I'll find possible problems and solutions.
I'll communicate everything and keep us on track.
Let's go. Let's get to work.
Denim, your layout looks cool, but it doesn't match the fact Vincent corrected. Why does everything need to be matched numbers? Creativity is important too.
It's not about numbers. It's about making sure the proposal is realistic.
Go. Guys, we need teamwork, not arguments.
Let's not blame each other. Let's fix the problem.
Danny, your design is strong. Vincent, your data is solid. Let's find a way to blend them.
This is not the most about. When we go into improvement, we will try to make this proposal the best we can do.
Can do both. We can use the data to guide the design, and the design to make the data inspiring.
Yeah, that works.
Agreed. Let's merge our ideas.
When we finish, let's boost our motivation. Everyone say one thing they appreciate about the team.
We listen to each other.
We're organized, eventually. We're creative and flexible.
We serve dishes smartly. We communicate better now.
We don't give up.
Work better when we work together.
See? The spirit of teamwork.
Our proposal is complete. Thanks to everyone contributing to those prayers.
Planning keeps us focused.
The data kept us accurate.
Analysis guided our decision.
Creativity made it inspiring.
Motivation kept us going.
Communication kept us connected.
Problem solving kept us steady.
Team dynamics, different people, different strength, one unified goal.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Before that, we did facts. At data, wait lang.
Perfect. Let's go ulit.
Ready, go!
Let's not.
This is not about knowledge. Don't release it.